Welcome back to Auto Street, where luxury meets performance and we explore the finest machines the automotive world has to offer. Today, we're diving into something truly exceptional, the 2026 Bentley Continental GT. The name itself commands respect, but this latest generation of the Continental GT takes that legacy to a whole new level. It's not just a luxury grand tourer anymore, it's a statement of power, craftsmanship, and future-forward technology. Let's get into every detail, from its breathtaking exterior design to the ultra-luxurious interior, its thrilling performance, and of course, the price you'll have to pay to experience this masterpiece. At first glance, the 2026 Bentley Continental GT instantly tells you it's something special. The exterior design has been refined, sharpened, and modernized while keeping that classic Bentley presence. The car now sits on a redesigned chassis based on Bentley's new ultra-performance platform, shared with the latest Panamera. The front end features a more sculpted hood, slimmer LED matrix headlights, and a bold, upright grille finished in gloss black or chrome depending on your chosen specification. The signature oval taillights have been reshaped slightly to give a more aggressive, futuristic look, and the entire body has been aerodynamically reworked to improve airflow and stability at high speeds. From the side, you still get those powerful haunches and the long, elegant profile that define the Continental GT. The proportions remain perfectly balanced: wide stance, low roofline, and just the right mix of muscle and grace. New 22-inch forged alloy wheels come standard on most trims, and Bentley offers an astonishing range of finishes and bespoke options through its Mulliner division. Whether you prefer a deep metallic blue, a satin silver, or a unique custom color, the 2026 GT looks stunning from every angle. This is a car that turns heads before the engine even starts. Speaking of engines, let's talk performance, because the 2026 Bentley Continental GT isn't just about looks. Bentley has retired the iconic W12 engine, but don't worry, because what replaces it is just as impressive. Under the hood lies a new plug-in hybrid powertrain built around a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor. Together, they produce an incredible 771 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to launch this grand tourer from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, making it the most powerful and quickest Continental GT ever made. The power delivery is seamless, combining electric torque with that deep, throaty V8 growl that Bentley fans love. The hybrid system offers around 50 miles of pure electric range, perfect for city driving or short commutes without burning a drop of fuel. But once you hit the open road and switch to sport mode, the Continental GT transforms into a beast: precise, fast, and effortlessly smooth. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shift almost invisibly, while the adaptive air suspension and active anti-roll system make sure the ride remains composed whether you're cruising along a coastal highway or attacking winding mountain roads. Bentley has also fine-tuned its all-wheel drive system and rear-wheel steering, giving this large GT a level of agility you wouldn't expect from a car of its size. It feels lighter, more connected, and more dynamic than ever before. Yet, despite all this performance, comfort remains at the heart of the experience. The cabin insulation, road noise control, and suspension tuning make it one of the quietest, most refined cars you can drive at any speed. Now, let's step inside, because this is where Bentley truly outshines everyone else. The interior of the 2026 Continental GT is nothing short of automotive art. Every inch is covered in hand-stitched leather, polished wood veneers, and real metal accents. The craftsmanship is unmatched. Bentley offers dozens of interior color combinations, from classic beluga black and saddle tan to modern dual-tone schemes with contrast stitching and carbon fiber trims. The seats are newly designed for enhanced comfort, featuring 20-way adjustability, massage functions, and ventilation. Sitting inside feels more like being in a luxury lounge than a sports car. At the center of the dash sits Bentley's rotating display, a signature feature that cleverly hides or reveals a 12.3-inch touchscreen depending on your preference. When switched off, it rotates to show 3 elegant analog dials instead, for that timeless touch. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Naim sound system with over 2,000 watts of output, and an improved digital driver display with customizable layouts. The ambient lighting, fragrance system, and even the stitching patterns can all be tailored to your taste through the Mulliner program. In the rear, space remains adequate for short trips, though it's still best suited for 2 adults up front. However, Bentley has improved legroom slightly thanks to the redesigned platform, making it more practical for grand touring than before. The trunk offers around 12 cubic feet of cargo space, enough for a weekend's worth of luggage, golf clubs, or designer shopping bags, depending on your plans. When it comes to technology, Bentley has gone all in. The 2026 Continental GT features an updated suite of driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, night vision, and a new AI-based predictive drive mode that learns your driving habits and adjusts the suspension, throttle, and transmission accordingly. It's futuristic yet never intrusive, keeping the focus on the joy of driving. So how much does all of this cost? Well, as you'd expect, exclusivity comes at a price. The base model of the 2026 Bentley Continental GT starts around $245,000, while the more powerful Continental GT Speed pushes close to $300,000. Opt for the Mulliner specification with bespoke interior options, unique paint finishes, and custom wheels, and the price can easily exceed $350,000. But then again, no one buys a Bentley just for the numbers, they buy it for the experience, the craftsmanship, and the feeling of owning something truly rare. To sum it up, the 2026 Bentley Continental GT is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. It honors its grand touring heritage while embracing the future with hybrid technology, cutting-edge features, and design sophistication that few can match. It's faster, cleaner, and more luxurious than ever before, a car that represents what modern luxury should be. If you love cars that combine elegance with power, this Bentley deserves a top spot on your dream garage list. So, what do you think about the 2026 Bentley Continental GT? Let me know in the comments below. Would you choose this over an Aston Martin DB12 or a Ferrari Roma? And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to AutoStreet, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the world's finest cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next drive.